Let's make some California rolls today. California roll is one of the most popular westernized sushi rolls here in North America, and I know you're gonna love it. We have here 2 cups of Japanese short grain rice. We're gonna rinse it until the water becomes clear, so for at least 10 times. We do this to remove the surface starch. We're gonna fan it occasionally and mix until the rice is slightly above room temperature. Cover with a clean kitchen towel. Okay, so before making the sushi rolls, we're gonna prepare a boil of water on the side. Now we're gonna cover a bamboo rolling mat with a large Ziploc bag. Lay 1 nori sheet on top. Put the shiny side down on the covered mat. Wet your fingers with water and spread about 1 cup of rice evenly on the nori. Now you can serve it with pickled ginger, wasabi, and soy sauce. Recently, I got a special request to make some California rolls for an event. So when I heard this request, I was really happy because that means they really like my food. But at the same time, I was really nervous because I have never made food in a large amount before. I mean, sure, I worked in a restaurant setting before, but that was with a lot of people, you know. So I hope that everything will go smoothly this time and wish me good luck. And of course, I also share this recipe with you because, come on, who doesn't like a good California roll, right? Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, comment below and let me know what is your favorite type of sushi roll. I'll see you next week. Bye!